Hello friends, welcome back to Chacan Ranch. I'm Veronica and today I want to share my sourdough zucchini fritters. This recipe is super easy and they are so tasty. I really think you guys will enjoy them. All of the ingredients and the written recipe will be linked below. Okay, let's get started. So usually for the zucchini, I have this large bowl, and then on top of the bowl, I would place like a mesh strainer, but I didn't have it on hand, so I'm doing it this way, but usually you can do that. And then when you grate the zucchini, all of that fluid will go down into that bowl, and the zucchini on top will be fluid free basically. But this is the way that I had to do it today, which still works. Once all of your zucchini is grated, you add salt and let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then the salt will help all of that fluid come out of the zucchini because we want the zucchini pretty moisture free for these fritters. Okay, I'm gonna let it stand. While we're waiting for that zucchini, we are going to get some green onions. We're going to chop that green onion into small pieces to add to the zucchini. Wow, look how much water it is. See this?
Wow.
Okay, we're gonna have to squish it out.
Whoa.
There's a lot of water coming out. See this? Drain the remaining water and start mixing the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna have the zucchinis, the green onion in there, and then 2 eggs, some black pepper to taste, a little bit of salt, some sourdough discard, or you can have active sourdough starter in there as well. A little baking powder. And flour. Mix everything up really well until everything is well incorporated and creamy. Today I'm going to be doing the fritters outside on the fire, and so I'm adding a little bit more wood here. I use avocado oil. It's the best one for frying on the fire because it's high heat. It can be heated up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's just one of my favorite oils to use. But I was just going to ask to see you guys, what is your favorite oil, or what do you usually fry your food in? I would love to hear some healthy options or your thoughts on avocado oil. Fry each zucchini fritter until they're golden. Serve them hot, they're very delicious, but we also like them cold. My friend on YouTube and on Instagram, Simply Health with Marissa, she tried these zucchini fritters and she had them with applesauce. I usually like them with sour cream, but we're gonna go ahead and try it with applesauce as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really enjoyed making it. I love cooking on the fire right now. It's my new little hobby. And like I said before, all of the ingredients, instructions will be linked below. Thank you. See you next time.